Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce Leetop A206 which manufactured by Leetop. Leetop LP is an embedded artificial intelligence computer developed based on NVIDIA xavier module, which can provide computer powered up to 21 TOPS to many terminal devices. The LP206 provides rapid passable cooling design, which can meet the seismic and anti-static industrial standards. At the same time, the LP206 has abundant interface, same size, and high-cost performance. Now, let me introduce the interface of LP206 to you. 1 gigabit, 3 USB 3 Type-A port, 1 USB 3.2 Type-A, and 1 micro USB and the HDMI and the DP. This one is DC powered. 2 Wi-Fi antennas on the back of the product, built-in M2 key MSSD and Wi-Fi. The length of device is 116 mm. Width of it is 86.8 mm, and the height of it is 37.9 mm. If you are interested in our LP206, please feel free to contact us via below contact information. Bye.